my name is Anna-Karina Hermann. My final project is about Thai paintings of the Ratanakosin period, and I compare this with Western art because in this period there came Western influence into the Thai paintings. Yeah. And this is my main menu. And you can see it's really simple, it's in black and white, but if you make a mouse, put the mouse over the paintings, you see where you can go and get some colors. Yeah, and yeah, you can go to history. And then you can see, you can go to the history before the Ratanakosin period or during the Ratanakosin period, because I think it's important to know what's before the Ratanakosin period, before you read only about this period. It's important to know everything. And then you can click on it. And yeah, you have a lot of information. The informations are more important than the pictures in this part. So I create the pictures more in the background. It's not, yeah, and the text more in the front. And then if you want to read more, then you can click continue button. Yeah. Yeah. And you can see different pictures on the side. Yeah. Then you can go back and go to the Ratanakosin period. It's the same like the other, only that the information are different and the pictures are from Watco. Can you go back? Yeah. And for me it was important that the Thai paintings have a priority, and so you have not the selection that you want to choose Thai or Italian paintings. You have first the Thai painting history in front, but if you want to change, you can select this button. It's the Italian button. Yeah. Yeah. And you come to the Italian submenu, and in the Italian period there was no special period until the Ratanakosin period. There were different periods, so I choose to do only one about the overview of the history, only one, not two different options. And okay, you can, but it looks similar like the Thai history, but there are Italian information and pictures about the different periods. Yeah. And I choose the Italian influence or the Italian paintings before because it's really a main factor into Europe arts and paintings. Yeah, in the Western arts was really important, so I choose this. Okay, you can go back. Okay. Yeah, and if you do know more information, you can look at the paintings, or you can do it before. You can choose it. Take some time. Yeah, here you can see the gallery, you can choose the pictures. First it's in black and white, but if you have mouse over, changing colors. And I have some information about this under the gallery. I choose pictures from the Damakien because it's typical for the Ratanakosin period, or these pictures, not the story. The story is not priority, it's only the pictures, because it was really difficult to do the research for the Damakien because there are less information in English, and I had to ask a Thai friend about the about some information about the pictures, and these are not really the important scenes of the Ramakien. But I thought you can see on the paintings how this works. Yeah.
Can you click on the icon?
Yeah. Yeah. And then you see a big picture.
So you take the picture yourself?
Yeah. This is why I've only from the Ramakien and only a part of the Ramakien, because I saw not almost the half of the Ramakien. So yeah.
It's hard to take the picture?
Yeah, some picture wasn't so good, so I took the best one and not the important one of the story. So yeah, and if you have the mouse over the picture, you can see some information. I hope it's right, because it wasn't so easy to find the information in the internet and or where else, because most of the time this information. Yeah, yeah, and then you can click here, continue, or to the last one, or to the next one, or you can choose it from the gallery. Yeah, and if you go back, it's the same like in the histories. You can look at the Italian paintings.
So when you look at Italian painting, it's the same period of time?
It's the same time, because it's another. There are more different periods. It's only the same time. The Rattanakosin period was from 1768 to 1932, and these are pictures not exactly at this time, but it's in the middle of the time. Here it's from 1769, and the last one is from 1911. Yeah. So there are different artists and different time periods, but it's in the time of the Rattanakosin period. Yeah, you can click on the.
So what the equivalent of Rattanakosin period and the Italian period is Renaissance?
Yeah, there are difference. It's also the end of the Baroque.
Oh, the end of Baroque.
Yeah, and modernism is there inside as well, and yeah. You can see different pictures, and if you have mouse over the same, but here you can see the title of the picture, the year, and the artist,
Okay.
because it was easier to find some information about this. Yeah, yeah. And this is the main part of my program, and at the end in the menu you have credits as well, and you can see who created this application and which resources are used, or some of the resources. Yeah.
So why you decide to use Director?
Yeah, because I want to concentrate more on the design.
Is this your first time to use Director? Right?
After the assignment, the second time, but it's not really easy for me. So first I want to do some animation as well, but I haven't enough time, and I have not really good animation skills, so it's static now.
Not bad for the first time user. Only minor comment, right? When you roll over the first topic, right, and you see the word history, right? You see the space in front of history. Take a look. And the second one, painting. You see the gap is too close to the edge, right? And then go to the third one.
Yeah, but I tried to do a middle, and paintings is more bigger, but at the end I had to choose a small font. Yeah.
So you might aware about the grid, right? So when we work as a designer, so we concern about the composition and the grid. Yeah. The rest of that pretty good. Thank you.
Thank you.